I'm working as an IM consultant in one of the MNC company. So that totally I have the 5 year of experience in Beyond Trust Password Safe. It's including like implementation, administrator, operations, and some of the other stuffs as well, Beyond Trust Password Safe, Delinea, and ED Bridge. Uh, now currently I'm working on the on-site where I'm currently working on the AD Bridge solution, which is also Beyond Trust Password Safe's component. So this is what about me. And coming to the scope of the demo, I'm just going to tell like what is meant by PAM and why the PAM is there, and what are the benefit of the PAM, why we are using the PAM, and different types of PAM technologies present in the market, and different types of vendors are present in the market, those stuffs. And also, I will give the overview of the PAM, Beyond Trust Password Safe, and what the Beyond Trust Password Safe and how it is going to work, and what all components are required for the Beyond Trust Password Safe, and the way of features available in the Password Safe. This what the demo scope. And coming to the outline of the course, I will just provide the initial configuration, like how to configure the password safe environment in your lab, including the license and all. And also, I will provide how to onboard the different types of assets, Windows servers, Linux servers, or any other application like SSMS or Toad or those things. So just I will go walk through of the onboarding systems, and how the session has been established from the server, like how the workflow is there, like any approval session, or any requester, or enabling the recording, how to see the records, and how to view the session which is already completed. So that one I'm going to tell. And also I will provide the course, creating the workflow with the smart rules, managing the workflow, like adding the directory queries, adding the users groups, creating the address groups, how to import the users, how to create the functional account, how to create the privilege account, what permissions should functional account is having. Those kind of stuffs I can provide you in the course. And additionally, I can just tell you how to configure the remote application, application launching the application remotely, so that it will directly connect to the application. We are using some terminal server or jump server. From jump server, it is directly launching any of the thick client, thin client application. So I'll just provide you like how to do that one. So overall, it is covering like overall course covering implementation of the password safe, how can be implemented, what are the way of implementing, and what are the way of implementing, and administrator, like what are the administrator are performing, and what is the actual scope in the project, like how this project is going to work, like in different I'll just give you some of the projects, like how the projects is having, and what are the complexity project may having, like that I can give you the overview. This what the course. And also I'll provide you some of the guidance, like step by step installation of the password safe, and also step by step of onboarding the assets, servers, or any other thing, remote application, those things. So this was mainly part of the password safe administrator. And I will also provide you one of the integration, like we can do SAML integration, that is a single sign-on authentication. So just I can show you on that live, how to be integrated the SAML and all. Yeah, this was the course outcome. So after this course, it will be having mostly of 30 days of training. So we can cover most of the topics before that. If you are having any doubts also, you can reach out me anytime. Yeah, this was the outline of the course, so that we'll go to the next slide. uh, it is add-on topic, like add-on topics, like I told you already, I will provide you the guidance. Like I will provide the beyond trust guides also, and I will provide my own guide. I will prepare myself one guide, like how to implement, how to install those steps and all. And also I will provide the administrator guide, like what administrator can do, and what kind of stuff's administrator is handling those things. And also I will provide you, like I will set up some lab, like it's containing all the servers, like Linux servers, Windows servers, or any other applications. Okay, like that, I can show you. And also I will show you like how to set up the active lab. Active passive, I can just give you some guidance, because active passive requires some lot of memory. So active is very simple, so that I can just provide. I can also guide you like how to set up the active passive setup also. And coming to the additional resource, already like I will provide the like BT link is there, and also we can set up with the trial license. Like I will provide you the trial license, so it will be available for some days, like 1 month or 2 months. Like I'll just let you know once getting the licenses. Okay. Okay, this is what the additional course. Then coming to the project use case, as I will, as I told you, like how to set up the active and active passive, and I will show you like how to create the functional accounts in Linux, how to create the functional account in Windows, and what are privilege account, what are the dedicated privilege account, what are the uh, what are the ED privilege account, those stuffs and all. And also jump post, creating the jump post, publishing the application. Yeah, this what the project is and also I will explain you, like I have implemented some four project. Okay, in that four project, what are issues I have found, what all issue we are getting, and how to fix those issues, those stuffs also. I'll just guide on the training as well. Okay, the certification wise, uh, Beyond Trust certified, like how to get the certification from the Beyond Trust, and even we are giving from the Mindex, and also I will guide you like where we can do the certification and all. Actually, it is not available outside the country, like it's just available for the partners. Okay, the company who is partner of that Beyond Trust, they are only getting the certification. So this what we have, but I can guarantee you, like I can just like let you know how to be done this one also, possible. Okay. Yeah, this was the lab setup. Okay, like you need some of the 16 GB RAM, and any OS is fine, and we need a virtual machines, so that I will just provide you the virtual machine softwares also if you require. That is a free, and also I will provide you the systems like Windows ISO file and Linux ISO file, so that with that you can have the most of the operating system, and you can install most of the password safe component in that, and rest of that we can do the testing and all. And if you face any issues, I will be guiding, and I can just show you on setuping the lab live session also, so that even you are also available how to set up the labs and all. Yeah, this what the lab setup. Okay, and I'll just provide the some of the. I'll just I will take some of some mock interviews, like some two three mock interviews for you, so that you can just. I will ask you to prepare on these topics, and I'll just. It will help for you also further how to be how the corporate is going to work, and how the corporate questions are there, those things, so that it will help for you also, like upcoming.